What is up to my Brilliant Squad? It is your girl Brilliant Bree here, and I'm back with another freaking video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're already a part of the Brilliant Gang, thank you so much for tuning in for another video. My Brilliant Gang as well, I want y'all to go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and drop down those comments. Let me know how your day has been. My day has been, all right. Busy as usual. So, I know you can see from the title that I'm doing like a Taco Thursday. I know people do Taco Tuesday, but I'm doing Taco Thursday. And I actually have some other stuff too. I went to Taco Bueno, and I have a little spread for y'all. So, if you want to see me try down on this food and do a little quick mukbang for y'all, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, you guys. So, like I said, I went to Taco Bueno. I'm going to start with my drink. I got me a Dr. Pepper, y'all. It's a medium, but the thing look big. Now look, I ain't never really had Taco Bueno like that. My aunt, she really used to love Taco Bueno when I was younger, and I remember she used to keep her receipts and go get them tacos. She said it was the best tacos. Like, I didn't have it like randomly every now and then, and I used to get this thing called a taco burger, but they don't have it no more, so I don't go. So all this is my first time trying this for real. So I got me a Dr. Pepper. I got me what's called a taco cup, y'all, and it's like got beef and tomatoes and lettuce and stuff inside of it, and like a little mini thing. So I got one of them. I got me a tostada. Yeah, I love tostadas, y'all. So if these are good, this is gonna be a hit. But this just has lettuce, cheese, and beans on top of it. It don't have no meat on the tostada, of course. Then I got me 2 party tacos, and I got a party quesadilla. Now let me tell y'all something, because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. Like, this could feed a couple people, y'all. Like, this is gonna have me fat full. So all of this was like about $6 and some change, y'all. $6 and some change. So look, on my struggle days, I surely will be going to Taco Bueno, okay? So like I said yesterday, I was starting to do my little mukbangs again, because, you know, some of my people, they subscribe for my mukbangs, y'all. So I gotta continue to cater to them too. So I'm gonna go ahead and chow down, and I might do a little bit of talking here and there, but this is strictly for the people who love to hear me eat and they don't want me talking. So let me go ahead and dive in, y'all. I'm gonna start, you know, with my whistle a little bit because I'm thirsty. I should have stopped at McDonald's and got me a Dr. Pepper, because that thing ain't hitting on nothing, y'all. It's a little flat. So what y'all think I should start with first? Tostada, taco cup, an actual taco, or a quesadilla? Now I did get some hot sauce, but I don't know if I want to use this. It just don't look appeasing to me. I might try it. I'm gonna try it. I'll try it. Okay, I'm gonna start with these quesadillas, y'all. Okay, so first of all, my observation of this quesadilla, y'all, it ain't nothing in here but cheese. It said chicken quesadilla. This is not a chicken quesadilla. But I'm gonna eat it with this, and it's probably gonna be good. Let me try. I'm gonna put that down. Y'all, I'm a meat person. Now, tostadas I can eat with just some lettuce on it. Like stuff like that, I gotta have some meat. What's this? Okay. Now I heard these party tacos real good. Yep. I really want to do Taco Bell, but Taco Bueno was on my way home, and sometimes I can mess with Taco Bell, and sometimes I can't. But if it was on my way home, I probably would have went ahead and went. But I would have got me some chalupas and a Mountain Dew. gonna do Taco Bell soon. People always asking me where I'm at in my house. Y'all, like yesterday when I filmed, I had my couch and stuff behind me, but now my kitchen behind me. So I'm still at the same table. I just swap sides. I should got a bunch of these tacos. I'm eating the meat and stuff. I'm faithful. I do like they beef and their cheese. I see why my auntie used to like them. I know it's only Thursday, but do y'all got anything planned tonight? I ask, cause I do. After I get done filming y'all and tend to my daughter a little bit, you know she over here sleep. That's what she do now when I film, she sleep. But after that, I'm going for some drinks, y'all. I need it. I need me some cognac. After that, if you live in Dallas, I'm going to Sue Ellen's, y'all. You know, just a little Thursday turn up. It was all last minute. Somebody yesterday asked me for drinks today, and I was like, okay, why not? I haven't really been going nowhere like at all. And then somebody texted me when I was leaving work, asked me, do I want to go swim? So I'm like, you know, I ain't been going nowhere. I'm going. I'm going. I feel like I deserve some drinks. Party tacos is the bomb. You understand me? Go get y'all some party tacos. It probably be real. It missing some type of sauce. I wish I had some sauce from Taco Bell. Put on there. I don't really want to put this on there, but it was good. And these little boxes is cute. They got these tostadas and taco things coming in. It's so cute. They got little boxes. I can already tell y'all now, if I burp, I'll be surprised, because this soda's so fat, y'all. It ain't completely unfortunate. It tastes a little good, but let me tell you, them burps ain't gonna be nothing. Let's see, got sour cream. Is it sour cream? I'm not supposed to have sour cream no more. Okay, they ain't sour cream. Let's see. Oh, they surprised me. There's some beans down now. Take these tomatoes out. I didn't know there were no refried beans down at the bottom. Oh yeah. Sister getting full, but I ain't full yet. I guess if I had anything to say about this, it's pretty good. Them tacos is actually the best thing probably to me. But it's pretty good. It's too much refried beans at the bottom. I like refried beans, it's a lot at the bottom. It's mostly beans at the bottom. The other stuff is like lightly set on top. I actually felt a little burp, but it went away because I was chewing. Sorry, y'all. Tostada. They got some type of little sauce on here, y'all. Oh yeah. Y'all love cheese. If I ever develop an allergy for cheese, I'm probably gonna pass out from shock. I don't think I'm gonna eat that quesadilla, y'all. It was only like 89 cents. It'll be alright. This thing good. Y'all, it's tostada everything. But I like tostadas a lot. Maybe buy y'all, I'm full. I'm done. You hear me? Tacos was the bomb. That little taco cup was pretty good. And that tostada was off the chain. You understand me? Excuse me. Woo! Y'all, we got one burp after this drink. They gotta do better. They gotta get some stronger Dr. Pepper or something. If the Coke strong or something, y'all let me know if you been. Because that Dr. Pepper ain't hitting on nothing. Maybe it's just the one by my house. I don't know. But alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. This food was good. I'm nice and full. Got my stomach coated for me to go have some drinks. So I hope that y'all have a safe night. Maybe y'all gonna get out and do something. Get down in the comments. Let me know what y'all got planned. But go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.